birds from A to Z. A. A for Avocet.
Avocets are shorebirds. Shorebirds are birds that are found along seashores. Avocets have long legs and long, thin beaks that curve up. Can you see the black and white stripes? Avocets have black and white stripes on their backs and sides. In warm months, Avocets' heads and necks are pink, and in winter, their heads and necks become gray.
B. B for Bunting. Did you know there are 45 different kinds of buntings? Buntings come in different colors. They can be brown, bright green, or blue. Buntings live all around the world. They can live in places that are hot or cold. Buntings love to sing, even while searching for seeds to eat. C. C for Crow.
Crows are super smart. They will trick other birds and take away their eggs to eat. Crows travel in large flocks to search for food. Crows live in groups as large as 2 million in winter months.
D. D for Duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers. Their feathers help them stay dry even when they dive in water. Ducks eat grass, water plants, insects, seeds, fruit, and fish. Ducks can live for up to 20 years if they are well cared for. That's a very long time. E. E for Eagle.
Did you know there are over 50 different types of eagles in the world? Eagles are strong birds that can hunt foxes, wildcats, and even young deer and goats. Eagles can see 8 times better than humans. This makes eagles excellent hunters.
F. F for Flamingo. Flamingos get their pink, red, or orange color from the food they eat, such as shrimp. Flamingos are born gray or white with fluffy feathers that keep them warm. It can take up to 3 years for their feathers to become pink, red, or orange. Flamingos are very good at flying and swimming, even though they do not swim much. G. G for Galah.
Galahs travel in flocks of 10 to 1,000 birds. Galahs eat seeds from grass, shrubs, and trees. Female galahs have pink eyes, and male galahs have dark brown eyes.
H. H for Hummingbird. Hummingbirds get their name from the humming noise their wings make as they fly. Most hummingbirds are lighter than a coin and are the only birds that can fly backwards. That's so awesome! Hummingbirds cannot walk or hop. Their tiny legs are only used for moving sideways while perched. I. I for Ibis.
The ibis eats plants and meat. That means It is an omnivore. The ibis will eat animals such as fish, frogs, shellfish, crabs, small reptiles, worms, bugs, and small mammals. The ibis has a long, curved beak that helps it to get food from the mud. Its nostrils are found at the bottom of its beak. That means the ibis can breathe even while its beak is deep in the water.
J. J for jay. Jays help to spread oak trees as they store acorns for winter. A single jay may store up to 5,000 acorns in one season. Jays can mimic other birds and animals. When they feel afraid, they will imitate the calls of owls, hawks, and even cats. The letter K. K for Kingfisher.
Kingfishers get their name because they are great at fishing. They use their sharp beaks as spears to catch fish. Kingfishers live in holes that they dig on the edges of streams, lakes, and ponds.
The letter L. L for loon. Loons look like ducks, but they are not ducks. Loons are carnivores. They eat meat and lots of fish. Loons can dive up to 200 feet underwater while swimming and looking for food. The letter M. M for macaw.
Macaws are very colorful. They cannot talk, but they can repeat words and other sounds around them. Their beaks are very strong and are used for eating and protecting them from other animals. Some macaws can even use their beaks to crack coconut shells.
The letter N. N for nuthatch. The nuthatch is called the upside-down bird because it creeps headfirst down tree trunks looking for insects to eat. A nuthatch uses holes in trees for nests, just like squirrels and woodpeckers. Nuthatches use mud to make the holes in trees smaller to protect themselves from other animals. The letter O. O is for ostrich.
Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. They can grow to be over 9 feet tall and weigh about 350 pounds. That's really heavy. Did you know ostriches have no teeth and have 3 stomachs? Ostriches only need a small amount of water to survive. They get water from the plants they eat and can stay alive for up to 2 weeks without drinking water.
The letter P. P for parrot. Did you know there are more than 350 different types of parrots? Parrots can repeat human speech. They cannot talk to communicate, but they can say words and even sing. Parrots eat fruit, nuts, seeds, flowers, and even insects. Parrots can live for up to 80 years. The letter Q. Q for Quetzal.
Quetzals are beautiful birds that live in the highland rainforests of Central America. male Quetzals grow twin tail feathers up to 1 meter long. That is longer than the rest of their bodies. Quetzals do not fly long distances. They hop between tree branches, making them easy prey for other animals.
R. R for robin. Robins are gray or brown with red or orange tummies. Male robins' colors are brighter than the females. Female robins lay 2 to 4 light blue eggs at a time. Robins hop around on lawns and in gardens looking for worms and other insects to eat. Robins also eat berries, fruit, nuts, and seeds. S. S for spoonbill.
Spoonbills have long legs and a large flat beak that is shaped like a spoon. Spoonbills eat by sweeping their beaks from side to side in the mud or shallow water to catch fish. Spoonbills prefer fresh water, but can also be found looking for fish in salt water. Newborn spoonbills are blind and cannot care for themselves right away, so both parents take turns to feed them.
The letter T. T for toucan. There are over 40 different types of toucans. Toucans stand out because of their brightly colored large beaks. Toucans use their beaks to peel and eat different kinds of fruit. Toucans have to flap their wings very hard to fly short distances. Most times, they can be seen hopping on the ground rather than flying in the air. The letter U. U for umbrella cockatoo.
Umbrella cockatoos have a crest shaped like an umbrella on the top of their heads and a pouch on their throats. Cockatoos are the loudest parrots. They will screech and scream to communicate with each other. Umbrella cockatoos eat fruits, nuts, seeds, and insects, and can break hard nuts open with their beaks.
The letter V. V for vulture. Vultures are nature's garbage men. Without vultures, the earth would get pretty stinky. Vultures eat dead animals so they do not rot and smell. P.U. Their heads and necks have few feathers, so they stay clean even while eating rotten meat. W. W is for woodpecker.
A woodpecker's tongue is about twice the length of its beak. Woodpeckers use their long tongues to reach for insects inside the holes they peck out. Some woodpeckers have sticky saliva that helps them pull out insects they find in holes. Woodpeckers have strong tail feathers that help them to hold onto tree trunks.
X. X is for Xenops. Xenops are small birds with long tails that live in the rainforest. They have a thin but deep brown beak. Xenops move in all directions over the surface of trees while looking for insects to eat. The letter Y. Y for yellowthroat.
Yellowthroats are small songbirds that have olive backs, wings, and tails. They have yellow throats and chests and white bellies. Yellowthroats are carnivores. They feed on insects and spiders. Yellowthroats live in wet areas like swamps, marshes, and along streams.
The letter Z. Z for Zebra Finch. Zebra finches have a small chest with black and white stripes, just like zebras. Most times, their tails are colored black and white too. Zebra finches have bright orange beaks that make perfect triangles when closed. Zebra finches live together in groups of almost 100. They eat seeds, vegetables, fruits, nuts, leaves, and insects. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.